Are you ready to discover 5 things you didn't know about the new Amazon Fire HD8 tablet that could change your portable entertainment experience? Hello, tech enthusiasts. Brian here from the Inspect Aspect. Today, we're diving deep into the Amazon Fire HD8 tablet, exploring features that might surprise you, both good and not so good. First off, this tablet is touted as a portable entertainment powerhouse. With its 8-inch HD display, streaming your favorite shows or diving into games like Minecraft is a delight. However, bear in mind that Google's Play Store isn't supported, which might limit your app choices. The Fire HD8 promises up to 13 hours of usage on a single charge. This long-lasting battery life makes it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. But if you're a heavy user, you might find yourself reaching for the charger sooner than expected. Alexa is always ready to help. Whether it's making video calls to loved ones or controlling your smart home devices. However, its full potential is unleashed mainly within Amazon's ecosystem, meaning some features could feel restricted if you're not fully invested. With 32 GB of internal storage and the option to expand up to 1 TB with a micro SD card, you'll never have to worry about space. Just remember, the additional storage comes at an extra cost. This year's model is thinner, lighter, and designed to be durable. It's a great travel companion, although the plastic build might not feel as premium as some competitors. In conclusion, the Amazon Fire HD8 tablet is a solid choice for those deep in Amazon's ecosystem, offering a balance of performance and value. The pros include its excellent battery life, durable design, and the convenience of Alexa. On the flip side, the lack of Google Play support in a plastic build might deter some. If you're seeking straightforward, no-fuss portable entertainment, it's worth considering. However, those wanting a more open-ended app experience might want to explore other options. For the best prices and deals, check the link on screen and in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to the Inspect Aspect. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.